When it comes to real estate, all of us are conditioned in a way that we will take even a loan of lakhs of rupees, wait for the project to be completed in next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and then invest in it. But when it comes to stock market, definitely we are very scared that even my own reserve of 5-10 lakh rupees, I would not like to invest. Forget about taking a loan. Obviously, the main reason is that in stock markets there can be heavy losses. So the biggest reason why I do not want to invest big capital in options trading is the fear of loss. So in case you are working with some strategies where whatever happens to the market, you are not going to lose money. If you get that confidence, obviously then your game will change, because the kind of returns you can generate in options trading or in stock markets can obviously be much better than what you can generate in real estate. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very common strategy. Generally, people feel that okay, this kind of strategy works only when market is very range bound, but strategy will definitely give a loss in case market goes here and there. So I'm taking a very peculiar bad month, which was March, where market fell like anything. Nobody knew that okay, this will happen because of geopolitical issues, but still the strategy on its own strength and few simple adjustments were able to save the trader from any kind of losses. We have done a workshop on this strategy. This is a iron fly strategy, and the adjustments I am showing you are very simple. They are not even part of the actual workshop. So if you're keen in enrolling for the iron fly workshop, we have converted that recorded workshop into a course. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. We talk about safe option trading strategies and best possible adjustments in these option trading strategies. We have a YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. You can join that community. We give you a pre-market report every morning. Now, in this video today, I will see whether iron butterfly worked or not. Obviously, the month was very volatile, but still we will see some soft adjustments wherein we will try to manage the trade, and hope you will like it. So let me straightway go to stock market 2nd March 9:30 morning. So we will go for a monthly trade which is for, let's say, 30th March. And on 30th March, if I select the trade, I'm getting 25,050 or 25,000. So I will not go for 25,050 for obvious reasons, equity issues. I will go for, let us say, 25,000. So I will sell this call and I will sell this put. And the total I'm getting is 400 plus, almost 400, 800. So to be on the safer side, I will buy a 700 points protection. 25,700 is the protection which I have purchased. And on downside, so here we are buying 24,300 protection. Pretty wide range trade, having break even of 24,500 and 25,500. So almost 1,000 points range is there. But from the center of the market, it is not 1,000 point. It is around 500 points. Like for the upside, it is 600 points. On the downside, it is almost 400 points. Let us see. Do we get any opportunities to book profit in this trade, or we need to adjust to just save our capital? First day, okay, very first day market has gone down. We are losing around 826 rupees. We can still wait because a lot of time is available for the month. We cannot say that okay, on the very first day we will initiate any adjustments. Let us wait. Okay, next day it has come down. So now I am getting 0.9%. So all of you have done workshop, you know how to lock the profits, and maybe 0.9% is slightly less, but maybe 1%, 1 to 5, 1 to 1.5%, you can definitely start thinking of locking the profit. Next day, again, we are getting some profit. And now you see the blue line has slightly extended my range on the downside. That is the feature with iron butterfly. Always the blue line extends the range more on the downside than on the upside. Next day, okay, now the market has really gone down. And trade is giving me loss. Even if I go for, let us say, closing of previous day, market was pretty much okay. I could have done the adjustment here, but let us say I have not done that adjustment. Does that mean that okay, I have to take losses in this trade because market has really tanked down from? I think there is a big gap down. If I see on the closing of previous day at around 1514, market was 24,434, and if we see next day 9:30, market is 23,780. So very big fall. Now what to do in such a situation? One of the best ways is that okay, we scare off the put. So if you have not logged any profit, you have not done anything, I think the best way is to scare off this put, which is of 25,000. Uh, there can be a lot of issues on liquidity, but still we have to scare off, and we have to sell a put which is around at the money but above my purchase put. My purchase put is 24,300, even that is in the money. So best solution is I sell something like 24,350 so that I can get some respite from whatever is happening in the market. This is my best case scenario, right? Now, if you see, the trade still gives me some hope that okay, I can get out of the trade at least without a loss, because there is a very big call, and in such a scenario, if I am able to get out of the trade without any loss, that is also very good, right? Let us see next. Okay, still having that loss. If there is a recovery, we can definitely make some profit in these points, and as soon as we make 1% profit, we would love to close the trade. Next day, the market is falling, my losses are reduced. Downside now, I am not at all bothered. Everything looks very safe on the downside. Upside, I need to be very careful. So only 599 rupees loss. Okay, 442. Can I scare off the EV for end of day? I am having only 40 rupees loss here. So I have saved my capital in a bad month, but still, this is showing me that I can still get out of the trade with a little bit of profit. Let's see. Next day, I'm having 700 rupees profit. I think in such a month where things were really, really scary, if I'm getting out of the trade, even at this level, that is not bad. But let's see if market reverses and do we need to do any adjustment on the upside. So far, everything is okay. Now, this is my call again, 18th March, and expiry is for 30th March. I still have a lot of time, but if you see, the call is only 15 rupees. So if I want to play some jugglery, I can definitely do. As of now, we can see without that also, we will make some 300, 400 rupees. But if I shift this call, which is now 25,000, and market is giving me a break even of 25,055, and market is 1200, 1300 points down. So maybe we can wait for another day, let us say 19. It is giving me 969 rupees loss. So maybe this call of 9.8 rupees doesn't have anything. What I will do, I'll scare off this, and maybe I'll try little bit more money from the market. Not that okay, I will be going very aggressive, but if market is at around 23,078, I can definitely sell something like 24,200, which will give me extra 30 rupees in the right. I'm not doing anything else with any other trade, so that it should not happen that okay, my margin increases heavily. Put side I am not touching now. Call side I have sold a call which is now 24,200. 25,700 protection is very far away. I can bring that protection up also, but it's perfectly okay, because still my break even is 24,235. Market is 23,000. So still I'm 1,200 points in my break even point. If required, we will do that, right? Next day is 377 loss. I'm making some 1885, which is again almost 0.9% of whatever is the margin it is showing. But I think this is the point where we should definitely close this trade. There is no fun in keeping the trade. We can still make for 500 rupees more, but that would mean we are taking undue risk. Okay, 544, 533, now 2957. I don't think we need to stay in the trade that long. Oh, it's a big fall in the market. But in spite of that big fall, because we have done little bit of adjustment, I've done very soft adjustment in the trade, I'm still able to generate some profits in the trade. Obviously, no fun in keeping the trade for 31st March, because on expiry day, obviously the margin requirement will also increase. Very, very bad month. What a big fall, maybe because of that war thing or whatever news. But still, if you are seeing Iron Butterfly saved the day for us, this is a big consolation that okay, in such a falling market, you have not lost anything, and a simple strategy. Ultimately, options trading is how you identify the opportunity and how you take benefit of that opportunity. Now, another opportunity is there is a broker who has provided this kind of a simulator free of cost to all the accounts. I have shown you that simulator. It's a very fantastic simulator. You can do all the backtesting without any cost. If you want to open an account with that broker, we are giving you a link in the description. You can just go ahead and open your account. Charges are very, very competitive, but whatever is very popular in the market, something like 20 rupees per order for options, and whatever is the popular rates for equity also, everything is same. Platform is fantastic, and you are getting a simulator without any cost. Another good feature with this broker is that it simply allows you to trade even in December positions, even in December 2027 positions. So there is no restriction on any kind of expiries. It's not that okay, you can trade only 3 months expiry. You can trade even December this year, even December next year, as long as it is available. In addition to that, there are so many rich features which I will explain in our upcoming videos, which are very useful for at least option sellers to monitor their trades. We have done 3 workshops in which we have shown how to enter, adjust, exit trades, and we have shown a complete framework by doing a backtesting for 12 months also. These 3 strategies are Iron Condor, Iron Butterfly, and Double Blender Spread. Anybody interested in enrolling for these courses, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. You can explore our join button also. We have multiple layers of memberships, silver membership, TOS Insights membership, and TOS Premium membership. Anybody interested in that can also explore that membership. Leaving you with another very interesting strategy video. Hope you will like it. Please click on the like button and subscribe button if you have not done it so far. See you in the next video. All the best. Thank you.